the inverse of the matrix. Now here today again we have to solve some example on inverse of matrix. That is, first example, if matrix A equal to 1 3 2 minus 1, B is equal to 1 5 2 3, then verify that AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. This is the property. AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. How to verify this? How to prove this? So first we want the matrix AB. A and B are the two matrices. AB we want matrix. Then we find the inverse of this matrix. And here RHS find the inverse of B, then inverse of A, then multiply them. So they should be equal. Let me find AB first. AB is the matrix. A is the 1 3 2 minus 1 and B matrix is 1 5 2 3. How matrix multiplied? This is order of 2 by 2. This matrix order is 2 by 2. Multiplication of matrix, the first row of the rows of first matrix multiply to the columns of the matrix. So this is the matrix AB and this is the element in first row, first column. So take the first row and first column of the second matrix, that is 1 into 1 1 plus 3 into the 6. This is the element in first row, second column. First row means first row of the first matrix and second column of the second matrix. That is 1 into 5 5 plus 3 into 3 9. Then now this is the element in second row, first column. Second row, you take second row of the first matrix to the first column of the second matrix. That is 2 ones are 2 minus 1 to the minus 2. Then similarly the second row, second column, that is second row of first matrix multiply to the second column of second matrix. 2 5 are 10 minus 1 3 the minus 3. So we get 7 5 plus 9 14 0 and 7. This is the matrix AB. So now we want AB inverse. Already we have discussed the formula, that is A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Here AB inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of AB into adjoint of AB. So first we want determinant AB because we have checked that it is not 0. So determinant of AB is equal to determinant of 7 14 0 7. That is 7 into 7 49 minus 0. So it is 49. So which is not equal to 0 means it is non-singular. So inverse exists. AB inverse exists. So now required determinant AB is 1. Now we require adjoint AB. So for adjoint we want the cofactors. So we find the cofactors of the matrix AB. The cofactors of first cofactor of 7 is got by deleting the first row, first column, and here sum of suffix 1 plus 1 2 even number, so multiply plus 1 is got by deleting first row, first column, so it means 7 only. It is 7. Then A12 1 plus 2, that is 3 odd numbers, so multiply minus 1. Now this is got by deleting first row, second column, so first row, second column, so we get 0. It is 0. That is now A12 A11 A12. Now this is the element in second row, first column, that is A21. Again 2 plus 1 3 odd numbers, so multiply minus 1 into delete second row, first column, so we get 14 minus 14. Then A22 plus 2 plus 2 4 even number, so plus into It is obtained by deleting second row, second column, that is 7. So then we write the cofactors matrix. Cofactors matrix formed by the cofactors of the elements of given matrix. Cofactors matrix is 7, 0, minus 14, 7. Now we know our definition of adjoint of matrix. Adjoint of matrix is the transpose of the cofactors matrix, that is 7 minus 14, 0, 7. This is the adjoint of the matrix AB. So now we write AB inverse is equal to 1 by determinant AB into adjoint AB. Our formula 1 by determinant AB is 49 into adjoint AB is 7 minus 14, 0, 7. This is the adjoint of AB inverse, that is LHS side. Question number 1. Now we go to find RHS, that is B inverse and A inverse. So we shall find now first B inverse. B inverse. So B is given as, that is 1, 5, 2, 3. So B inverse formula is 1 by determinant B into adjoint B. So determinant B first. Determinant B is given by 3 minus 10, which is minus 7. Again the not 0, so inverse exists. So we want now cofactors. So cofactors of the B, elements of B, that is cofactor of first element A11, which is plus into, delete the first row, first column, which is 3. In A12, cofactor of 5, 1 plus 2, 3, odd number minus 1 multiplied to the minor of this, that is 2. Then A21, that is 2 plus 1 odd, so again multiply minus 1. So delete second row, first column, we get 5. A22, that is 2 plus 2, 4, even number, so multiply plus 1 to the minor of 3, that is 1. So the adjoint of cofactors matrix is given by, cofactors matrix is 3 minus 2 minus 5, 1. Then adjoint of this matrix, that is B, is given by 3 minus 5 minus 2, 1. This is adjoint of B. Similarly, we can find A and B inverse, that is B inverse is 1 by determinant B, which is 1 by minus 7. Adjoint B, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 1. This is adjoint B inverse. So like this we want A inverse. A is here 1, 3, 2 minus 1. So determinant of A equal to minus 1 minus 6 minus 7. Again A inverse exists. And here observe that adjoint by direct method, adjoint of B, it is by of 2 by 2 matrix. Interchange the principal diagonal elements and change the sign of the secondary diagonal elements. So here adjoint A can be right. Interchange these, that is minus 1, here 1. Change the sign of this, minus 3, minus 2. This is adjoint A. Direct method of only applicable for 2 by 2 matrix, not 3 by 3. So A inverse is 1 by determinant A, same formula, 1 by minus 7 into adjoint A, minus 1, minus 3, minus 2, 1. This is the A inverse. So we now require B inverse into A inverse. We find B inverse into A inverse. Here B inverse is 1 by minus 7. So now B inverse into A inverse, that is RHS B inverse into A inverse. B inverse is 1 by minus 7, 3 minus 5 minus 2, 1. Into A inverse is 1 by minus 7 into minus 1 minus 3 minus 2, 1. So this is 1 by minus 7 into 1 by minus 1 by 49 into matrix. Multiply these two matrices. Again same rows of these multiplied to columns. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. First row, first column, 3 into minus 3, minus 5 into minus 2 plus 10. Then first row, second column, 3 into minus 3, minus 9, minus 5. Then second row, first column, minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Similarly, second row, second column, minus 2 into minus 3, minus plus 6 and plus 1. So which is equal to 1 by 49 into 7 minus 14, 0, 7, which is our equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, it is clear that AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse. Now try in home another homework example, that is if A equal to 1 0 1 2 1 3 1 2 3, B equal to 0 1 1 1 1 2 2 1 1, then prove that AB inverse is equal to B inverse into A inverse.